Okay, I'm going to do a quick video today on my thoughts on Rubber Mold Man's molds. So I bought 2 molds from Rubber Mold Man, and I'm just going to talk about them. So if you've been into making concrete statuary and you've been online looking to buy molds, if you've been watching tutorial videos, you probably come across Rubber Mold Man. I think if you type in concrete statues, he's the first website to pop up. Okay, I'm just on Rubber Mold Man's website here, rubbermoldman.com. He's got a really nice site, tons of statues. If you go to shop, he does actually have some ready-to-go statues on his website. I have seen them on his Facebook too, so lots and lots of statues, really nice pieces. He says these ones ship within 5 days, so not a lot of the statues that I like to make. I like to make more of the Eastern style, the Buddha statues and stuff, but here we can see he has angels, bears, benches, bird baths, cats. The bird baths I really like to make. Tons and tons of statues. Definitely recommend checking them out. And pretty reasonably priced. I know he's pretty fair with shipping too. Well, let's click on. Let's have a look here. Alright, some of the bird baths that he has. Smaller bird baths, obviously, but this one says large bird bath. We'll scroll down. Alright, measures 25 inches tall, so just over 2 feet. 225 for the mold. That's really not too bad. That's pretty fair. So just keep in mind, if you are ordering a statue mold off of Rubber Mold Man's website, he does have ready-to-go molds, and I would recommend that. Obviously, it's going to be limited to what he has, probably more of his popular pieces, which is nice. But the molds that I ordered weren't ready to order. They weren't ready to go, so he had to make them, and it took over 3 months from the time I ordered them to arrive at my house. So that's something to keep in mind, and that's something I'm going to talk about in the video. Now, I'm not saying that your order is going to take 3 months. On his website it does say 4 to 8 weeks minimum, so if he's really busy you could be waiting quite a long time to get your molds. You can always send him a message too and ask him. So his YouTube channel is great. I've learned a lot from his videos. Now, one thing I don't like about his YouTube channel is he doesn't allow comments or thumbs up or likes. You can't see the video thumbs up, you can't see anyone else's comments. It's all turned off. I think it's a big mistake. When you're making YouTube videos, it's important to interact with your audience, to give them a voice, to let them interact with you. It's also important that when you're watching videos that you can go and read the comments. You can see what other people are doing, saying, getting tips from them. Anyways, yeah, so I love his YouTube channel though. It's very informative. I've learned a lot about painting statues, about making them, pouring them. So I decided to order a couple molds from him. And this video is a review on the molds that I ordered. So I ordered a angel statue. This is 12-inch tall. I really like it. The mold is well made, 3-piece fiberglass shell. Expensive, but priced well. I mean, concrete statue molds are they're a lot of work to make. So I think I paid about $200 US for this one. Very happy with it. This one's painted base black, brushed on, dry brushed white and gold with the wings. So this angel statue is about 12-inch tall. It takes about 15 pounds of concrete. It's a really nice piece. It's a great seller. One thing with this mold I do is I put wires into the wings, the head, the hands for strength when I'm pulling it, because I've had a couple of them break, but other than that, I really like the mold. Now, the other mold I ordered is a Buddha head, and I'm not happy with this one. I do tend to make them, but the problem is he puts the seam right up the side of the face. And when I ordered this mold, I didn't see a picture of the mold itself. I was actually looking at buying Buddha statue molds because that is what I like to make. And so I asked him if he had any Buddha statues. He said he had a Buddha head planter. It was about 8-inch tall. I didn't see any pictures, so I just ordered them. And again, it's got the seam up the face, so I'm definitely not happy with that. I don't know why you wouldn't put the seam up the back of the ear or the back of the head. You know, it looks like the seam actually kind of went up here on the original statue. But definitely not too happy with that. Very happy with the angel statue that I ordered though. Alright, so when I placed the order for these on his website, it said minimum 2 to 4 weeks shipping. Or no, sorry, it said 4 to 8 weeks shipping. So I don't know why you wouldn't just say minimum 4 weeks shipping up to 5 months or whatever. but I ordered them. The molds took over 3 months to arrive. I think that's a little bit excessively long. I don't know if he was really busy. Maybe he was swamped and he was behind, but it did take a long time to get my molds, again, over 3 months. I am happy with my order. I would definitely recommend him if you are looking at buying concrete statuary molds. Just keep in mind, you could be waiting quite a long time for your shipment to arrive. Now, would I order from Rubber Mold Mat again? Probably not. I think if I had to wait another 3 months for an order, it's just too long. Also, too, most of the molds now I tend to be making myself. I buy statues, I make the molds out of them. It's just a lot cheaper. Okay, so that's, I guess, the end of my review on the 2 statue molds that I got from Rubber Mold Man. I would definitely recommend ordering from him. The molds are pretty good. Just, with this one, I didn't see a picture when I ordered it. I mean, I do like it. I just wish the seam wasn't up the face. Keep in mind that you could be waiting a lengthy shipping time because when you order them, he has to make the molds, and that could take some time. I'm sure a lot of people didn't end up having to wait 3 months for their order, but thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.